Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. This method is quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Click the File menu in the top left corner, then click Open. Select the image that you want to crop and open it in Paint. Now go to the top toolbar and click the Select option. Make sure Rectangular Selection is selected. Then click and drag your mouse over the area of the image that you want to keep. You can adjust the selection until it covers exactly the part you need. Once your selection is ready, click the Crop button in the toolbar. Paint will instantly remove all the unwanted parts of the image and keep only the selected area. If the crop is not perfect, you can use Select again, choose a new area, and click Crop one more time. You can repeat this process until you get the exact result you want. After cropping the image, click File and choose Save if you want to replace the original image. If you want to keep the original image unchanged, click Save As and save the cropped image with a new name. You can choose PNG, JPEG, BMP, or another image format. Cropping images in Paint is useful for removing unwanted backgrounds, cutting out extra space, focusing on a subject, or preparing images for social media, documents, or presentations. That's it. This is the easiest way to crop images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.